Welcome to Eat Your Backyard, my YouTube channel. And this is episode 2 of What You Got Growing On. Episode 2. I got some viewer requests. They requested the Buddha Belly Bamboo, that we grow that, and the Mulberry. So those are 2 easy ones, right?
Yeah.
Cup of water to put the cuttings in to keep them fresh, and then we'll just go out back and plant them. Alright, here's the Buddha Belly. Alright, so as you can see, here, Jack, get in there. Look at that shoot. Look at that shoot there. See that shoot? Holy mackerel! It's filled with those hairs.
Ooh.
Irritating hairs, you know.
Yeah.
You don't want to touch those, but that shoot. Yeah, but look at how big that cane is. There's no way we could get a cutting that big. It would take up the whole pot. All right, so we've got to look. There are good ones. There's a lot of them that kind of grow out this way, and we don't want them growing into the house, so I keep it trimmed back. I'd like to get one that has a little bit of still green. Let's try this one. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I'm gonna try this one right there. Okay, this is a longer one. I'm gonna pull that one down. Yeah, put it on the ground. Alright, let's see what we can take for a cutting here. I'm gonna say, okay, see how the node's right there? Okay, so I'm gonna not go down that one, I'm gonna go right here. And then above it, I'm gonna go right here. There we go. That's more like it. Alright, and on this one, I'll go right about, yeah, I'll go. I'm going to go with a little bit smaller one, see if the smaller one does it. Okay, here we go. Alright, well, those are 2 little cuttings. Maybe I'll just get one more. Why not? One more. Look at this one. Okay. Alright, so we got some cuttings.
Yep.
Alright, what's next? Mulberry?
Yes.
Okay. This one looks like a low hanger. Pull it down. Yeah. That's one. Okay. And let's get another one. There's one over there. Yeah. Good one. Okay. Get a third one. How about this one? Good catch. Okay. Alright. Get the pots down. Let's do a check since this is number 2. So we do a status check on the Dracaena we planted last time. You can see there's been some rain showers. They've stayed nice and wet, and they're looking very healthy. So out of our 50 pots, we have 5 growing. 5 separate plants, 5 pots, mulberry cutting, and yeah, let's see, yeah, poke that into one of the, as a matter of fact, let me cut it off a little bit shorter here. Poke it in there. Get another one. Yeah, pull the leaves off the bottom. Yeah, the other leaf, yeah. Stick it in the same pot, just onto this, more to the side. Good. Get your third cutting. Is there a third mulberry cutting? No, it's on the ground. Take the bottom leaves off. I take that other low one off. Yeah. Yeah, no, in the same pot. The same pot as the others. Yeah, just off to the side, not all the way to the side. There you go. There you go. All right, now we want to stick all three of these into the same pot here, so you're gonna have to jam them in. Here you go. Okay. The Wamin Bamboo, Buddha Belly Bamboo. That's a winner. Good. All right, here, you want to pour this Buccaneers water on there? Yeah, go ahead, pour it in there. So I think those will do well. What are your predictions on this?
Yeah, I think they will too.
Probably what will happen is the leaves will turn brown and die, but these are woody cuttings. I got them woody on purpose so that they would be able to have little root nodes on them and survive, but they will. And then here, these may turn brown as well, these leaves on the bamboo, but I left some just in case. And it's amazing. I'm actually going to pack it down just a little bit on that bamboo. It's amazing how well the vulgaris variety of clumping bamboos grow from cuttings. So we should have Buddha Belly Bamboo in this little pot here. And actually, yeah, slide this one down there. Okay, so we've kept to our rule of one plant type per pot. And I think we keep that up. So far our system's working pretty well. That's 2 more plants. Go ahead and check the description if you want to see all the different plants we've got here. I have listing and links to them in case you want to check them out some more. And go ahead and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you'll be notified as new videos come out. Especially this series, What You Got Growing On. By the way, if you want to see me plant something, look at my other videos. I've got cuttings galore in my backyard. I'm thinking about a starfruit, maybe. Hard to say. Maybe a cherry. I don't know. There's lots to choose from. We certainly cleaned out the Dracaena family in one episode. Episode 1. Episode 2 was the mulberry and the Wamin Bamboo, Buddha Belly, and the Everbearing delicious mulberry.